purchased these boxes from Dollar Tree, and there were a set of 4 each one, and they stacked inside each other nice and neat, so the storage will not be a giant problem once I'm done using them. These here are the jack-o'-lantern boxes, and the outside lids look like this, and are they not cute as can be? And they say Halloween on the edge. I really did enjoy them. And then the jack-o'-lantern are in the lids on the inside, and this is what they have at the bottom of the box. Are they not the cutest things you've ever seen? I'm going to be using these in a lot of vignettes for the holiday season. And then I got another set of 4. It says Hello Fall, and you know I already got a sign that says Hello Fall, so I think these will work perfect with it. And they have all different kinds of pumpkins on them, and a green truck with filled with pumpkins. And I think that will look great too, because I have a lot of things similar that will go with these pieces. And then the bottom of the box to say Hello Fall, they have a pumpkin on the inside. Are they not finished beautifully? Let's see if we can read the words it has in there. It says Hello Fall all the way around. Are they not finished off beautifully? And I figured next year if I wanted to use them again like they are, I can. And if I want to get some decorative paper and refinish them and make them look different, I can do that also. But I like that they were the shape of a pumpkin, because it's hard to find things that look like this. I was really surprised to see that I found both sets at Dollar Tree, and believe it or not, I bought one more, and I'm going to show you right now. Well, here's our 3rd set of stackable boxes that I purchased. I purchased 2 for Halloween and 1 for fall. I really like this one because it says Happy Halloween and my favorite Halloween candy. I know not everybody likes it, but mine is candy corn, and I do love it a lot. So I thought I would share how it looks. They all stack up inside, and this one has that vintage look too. I really like. And remember, I got the pumpkin with the little stars, so I think I can incorporate this also with that. I think it will look great with all the stars popping up. Let me know what you think in the comments section about these awesome stackable boxes that I got at Dollar Tree. They were a set of 4, and I bought 4 sets of them. Weren't they beautiful? I just love them. And I can use them year after year. And when they start getting too scuffed up, I can get some more paper and cover them and give them a new fresh look. But this is something I can use for quite a few years. Well, let's see what else I got. How they just fit inside each other. Here's another one we got stacked inside the other. Now you can see they're all stacked back in their boxes, one on top of the other. And now we can easily store them away without taking up so much space. I was very happy with these decorative boxes shaped like pumpkins. I thought they were really different looking, and I really did enjoy them. Let me know what you think. If you like that evil, mad-looking pumpkin or the sweet, happy pumpkin with the candy canes all the way around. And while I was at Michael's, I also saw these pretty, unusual-looking pumpkins, and so I picked up 3 of them. They were, let's see, they were $45 a piece, I think. Yeah, they were $5 each, so they were a little more than I wanted to spend. But they were very nice, and they were looking a little different. And I thought they looked a little vintage, so I thought they would go with the pieces I already own. where I can repurpose them and reuse them in another vignette. And that's what I like to try to do, is try to put as many different things together as I can and make them look different without spending a lot of money. So this is going to go with the other pieces I already own and have, and I'll make a new vignette with them probably in another week. So you'll probably see something for Halloween, probably at least 1 or 2 times every week until Halloween's over. Okay, that's what I also got. That was from Michael's. This is a very small shopping haul that I picked up a few items from. I got this cute little bicycle for very inexpensive for fall. I thought it was cute with a little pumpkin on the back, and of course I love sunflowers and the sunflower in the front. Going to use it in a vignette for this fall. I got 2 nice napkins from Pier 1 Import. They're going out of business. They were a little pricey, and maybe I shouldn't have bought anything. I find that most of the stuff they had on sale, there really wasn't much there left, but I am sorry to see them going out of business. Then went over to Michael's, and I got a bunch of different things there. This is a little set, I don't know if you can tell what it is. Got some googly eyes and some little pom-poms and some of this, I don't know what you call it, the felt wire, because I want to do a couple projects with it. And it wasn't that much more to get the one with the pom-poms and googly eyes, and I figured I could get a couple more projects put together, DIYs, because Grandma doesn't do a lot, and she figures she better start getting busy, because I am following a lot of channels now that do DIYs, and they make it look everything so easy. So I said, oh, maybe I should start trying to do a little bit. And anyway, just wanted to share what I've done so far. And I was wanting to learn how to make bows. I don't know how easy this is going to be, because I have never made a bow, so I have no clue how easy it's going to be. I got this also at Michael's. It sounds easy enough, and I'm going to give it a try. And I already bought some ribbon. I'm going to show you in a few minutes also that I got at Dollar Tree. Figure I might as well start with some inexpensive ribbon before I spend a lot of money on something. And I will show you what it looks like out of the package when I start working on it. Doesn't look hard, because the back's the same as the front. We will pray for the best, and Grandma can learn how to make some decent bows and not stress herself out. Like I said, I'm going to start working on a lot of DIY projects. Now you can see all the ribbon that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I got this beautiful black and orange diamond shape. Really did enjoy the pattern on that. And this one here, I only bought one that says Blessed Happy Fall. And I thought it was very pretty, and I got some really pretty sparkly orange ribbon to go with it. And then this, I got trick or treats and spooky and all kinds of different things. And then I got the witch's hat. Now I think I may go back and get some more solid color like the orange and put it with these different Halloween patterns. I'm a little sad about that I should have bought more solid color. I could probably put this diamond shape with one of them too. I'm still trying to decide. Maybe that's what I was thinking of doing. But I'm going to use the bow maker today, and we're going to try to make some bows. And I'm going to use that orange. And I'm trying to decide if I want to do the fall one or the Halloween ones first, because I have a what I was wanting to do. I was wanting to put a bow on my Halloween or my fall wreath that I've already made. I wanted to retake it apart and re-show you what you can do. So maybe I'll wait and do the fall one later. I want to do one of these Halloween ones first. Trying to decide. I'd say leave me a comment which you think would look best together, but I'm sure I will have this bow made before I ever put the video up. So I guess I'll have to make my own decision and see what I like the best. Well, I think that's all we have for our shopping haul today. Don't worry, we'll have some more shopping hauls for fall and for Halloween coming up. You know, Grandma's always looking for something else to put together on her Halloween table or vignette. See you in the next video. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends and family. Don't forget, my channel is designed for adults interested in home decor, gardening, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, DIY projects, or whatever else Grandma comes up with. See you in the next video, my awesome friends and family. Thank you again. More kisses and hugs for all of you that stay to the very end.